Hey everyone, so I just want to show you this new project I've been working on for the past few weeks. Well, I mean the past week, it didn't really take that long to make. Anyway, so this is a single iteration Taylor series approximation of sine. Basically, well, it fully fills up the 256 bytes of memory this thing has, but you just gotta see it. 1.5. And it estimates sine based on the Taylor series thing. And yeah, you could enter 0.25 equals. And it will output what it calculates. So yeah. 125 equals. That's not right. 1.125. Okay, there we go. Sometimes it does some weird glitchy stuff like that. So yeah, this is it uses a fixed point, which is why the precision isn't really that right there. But yeah, so basically this just uses it just raises the input to its third power divided by factorial of 3, and then subtract that from the original, and then boom, you have a approximation of sine. And if you go into Desmos and make a graph of it, it's actually pretty accurate if you've heard about the Taylor series and all that stuff. But yeah, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. I have a few more programs I'm cooking up, and yeah, well, see you guys.